It's not a tent. It's your home on the road. From PShow, redefining outdoor living. Power it directly from your vehicle. As long as the engine runs, so does your rooftop home. With one touch, the rooftop sleeper rises automatically. Access your rooftop home easily through the pickup truck canopy. Innovative floor design lets you flip up both panels and stand upright. When the two floor panels are lifted, the pickup bed transforms into a spacious 2.2-meter high interior, allowing you to stand and move freely. Open all three windows from the inside, anytime. Transparent PC rear window ensures safe reversing. Military-grade mole panels for gear mounting. Reinforced support structure handles up to 200 kilograms with ease. When the two foldable panels are laid down, they form a complete and stable bed platform. Privacy tinted windows. The ceiling is wrapped in suede to prevent condensation. Side walls are leather wrapped for a premium feel. Push-pull windows on both sides come with built-in mosquito screens. Ambient LED light on ceiling, warm lighting for a cozy sleep atmosphere. Built-in exhaust fan keeps interior fresh and ventilated. Full blackout curtains allow you to sleep comfortably even in daylight. Rest peacefully inside, no matter the weather outside. Fold the panels up again and move freely inside your pickup. Step outside and open your awning in seconds. Enjoy coffee, silence, and the view. Get in touch with us today.